Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Today I am going to tell you the story of Lady Ummul Baneen. Lady Ummul Baneen was the wife of Imam Ali. Imam Ali married her after the martyrdom of Hazrat Fatima. Imam Ali said to his brother Aqil, "Find me a girl from a brave family so that a brave son will be born from her." Aqil mentioned the name of Ummul Baneen. The family of Lady Ummul Baneen was one of the brave tribes of the Arabs. Lady Ummul Baneen was a faithful woman who respected the Prophet's family very much. After marrying Imam Ali, 4 sons were born to her: Abdullah, Jaffer, Usman, and Hazrat Abbas. Among the 4 sons, Hazrat Abbas was the eldest and the bravest. Lady Ummul Baneen loved Hazrat Fatima's sons more than her own. The real name of Lady Ummul Baneen was Fatima, but she considered herself the servant of Hazrat Fatima. One day, Lady Ummul Baneen came to the Imam and said, "Oh Ali, don't call me Fatima." Lady Ummul Baneen did not want Lady Fatima's children to remember their mother again and again. She could never bear that Imam Hassan, Imam Hussein, Lady Zainab, and Lady Kulthum were sad, which is why she chose the name Ummul Baneen for herself, meaning the mother of many sons. She considered herself the servant of the Imam and his sons, and she taught this to her sons as well. All her children understood this very well. All her sons respected Hazrat Fatima very much, which is why they all, especially Hazrat Abbas, always stayed with their brothers Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein and helped them. Years passed, the children grew up, and then the day came when Yazid became the Caliph. He asked Imam Hussein to pledge allegiance, but Imam Hussein refused and traveled from Medina to Karbala. Lady Ummul Baneen sent her sons with Imam Hussein to help him. Her sons also helped the Imam in every way from Medina to Karbala. Hazrat Abbas and all his brothers sacrificed their lives for Imam Hussein in Karbala. After the martyrdom of Imam Hussein and his companions on the 10th of Muharram, the caravan of captives were taken to Kufa and then to Syria. And then this caravan returned to Medina. This caravan was at the gate of Medina when Bashir came forward to welcome it. Imam Sajjad ordered Bashir to hurry to the city and inform everyone about the arrival of the caravan. Bashir entered the city and reported the return of the caravan from Karbala. Everyone ran outside, and Lady Ummul Baneen also went ahead to ask Bashir about the people of Karbala, but she did not ask about her sons. She first asked about Imam Hussein. Bashir told her about the martyrdom of Abbas and his brothers, to which Lady Ummul Baneen said, "No, just tell me about my master Hussein. May everything under this sky be sacrificed upon Hussein ibn Ali." All these things show how much Lady Ummul Baneen loved the Ahlulbayt. Lady Ummul Baneen continued to mourn for Imam Hussein for as long as she lived. In the loving memory of Lady Ummul Baneen, her unwavering devotion to the Ahlulbayt remains a timeless example of selflessness and love for generations to come.